Today we are going to do the unboxing and review of the Tommy Hilfiger belt. The company says it's a genuine leather, but in terms of the looks, it is way more shinier than what a typical leather belt looks like. This belt has a narrow width and is more suited for people that wear trousers than it is with jeans. The width of this belt is going to be narrow, so keep that thing in mind. Stitching quality of this belt is excellent. So let's do a quick tour of this, and if you want to buy this, I will leave a link in the description box.